Put down that overpriced bubble tea. I'm about to show you how to make something even better with just 2 ingredients and 10 seconds of agile work. In a heat-proof bowl, combine 30 grams of fragrant brown sugar with 30 grams of clear jelly powder. Pour in 300 ml of boiling water and stir until every crystal dissolves. Watch how the sugar transforms the water into this gorgeous caramel color. Elixir. Into the fridge, it goes for 2 hours of patience. What emerges is pure textural magic, a trembling amber-hued jelly that bounces back when you poke it. Break it into luscious chunks with your spoon and layer them into a glass. Now the crowning glory, pour over ice cold milk straight from the refrigerator. Watch how the milk cascades through the jelly cubes, creating this beautiful marble effect. This fast spoonful, sheer perfection, the deep molasses notes of the jelly playing against the clean, creamy milk. When the summer heat becomes unbearable, this is your secret weapon. No artificial flavors, no crazy markup, just honest ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. Once you try it, that weekly bubble tea habit might just disappear.